Hello students. Now today we will be discussing the another element of the marketing mix that is related with price. The next P in relation to the 4 P's, that is price. What is price for you? Price means what a consumer is paying for a particular product or the services which he is buying. So, price is an essential element, and fixing the price of the product is very sensitive matter because the consumers are very sensitive in case of price, because there are number of goods which are available to them, there are number of competitive brands in the market. So if we are targeting a particular consumer, so then we have to see this thing also, that what should be the price of our product. If we are trying to sell a soap of 50 gram to the consumer at rupees 10, but the same quality soap is being made available to them by some other producer at 9 rupees, then why the consumer will purchase our soap? So we have to be very careful. So price mix is related with the combination of demand of product, competitive policy, quality of the product. So there are number of things which we have to keep in mind before fixing the price of any product, because fixation of price is a very sensitive matter. Now, what are the various factors which we have to consider before fixing the price of any product? Let us discuss those factors. In that, the objective. Now, what is the objective of the producer? That if he wants to get a large chunk in the market, if he wants to get the maximum customers in the market, then in that case he has to go for a low price, because he has to attract a number of consumers. Then, second thing, if you want to survive in the competitive market, so if there is a competition in the market, then you have to see this thing, that how you can lower your price by offering the various types of discounts or any other offers which can reduce the price of that product. Or let's say your objective is to provide the quality product to the consumer, and you want to attain the leadership in the market. So there you have to spend the money in research and development. So when you are doing this thing, so at that point of time you can think of keeping the high price of your product. So your objective is one of the factors. Second thing, the cost of the product, because no producer will spend the money from his pocket and he will not sell the product in the loss. So if this is the case, then you have to be very careful as a producer, that you have to determine the exact cost of your product, that what is the cost of your product. So in that case you have to consider each and every expense which have been incurred by you in producing a particular product. Then only you will be able to fix the correct price of the product. All types of variable cost, invariable cost have to be kept in mind. Then only we will be able to assess the correct cost of production, and if we have assessed the correct cost of production, then we will be able to assess the fixed price or the correct price of the product. Then comes competition in the market. How many competitors are there? The extent of competition in the market. Let's say if there are no competitors in the market, then you are free. Then you can keep the prices at the higher end. Because if there is no competitor in the market, then there is no option for the consumer. He has to buy the product. But if there is a competition in the market, then in that case you have to see the prices of your competitors also. The product at which price they are offering to the consumer in the market, you have to be very careful about those prices also. So competition is another thing. Then comes the demand, consumer's demand. If the consumer demand is very high related to any product, then you can keep the high price of that product. But if the demand is very low and the consumer is not at all demanding that product, so at that point of time you have to keep the price of your product at the lower end. So demand is also one of the important factor. Then comes the government rules and regulations. When we are talking about the government rules and regulations, there are some restrictions imposed by the government on the fixation of the price of some of the essential commodities. There are certain commodities which are being made essential by the government, like some type of drugs, LPG, some food articles. So in that case, the producer cannot keep the higher prices of the product against the price which are being already fixed by the government for those products. So you have to see this thing that these are some of the essential commodities and government has already fixed the pricing of those products. So we will not be able to charge more price of those products. And lastly, what are the various types of promotion techniques which are being used by the producer in order to sell the product in the market? If you are making the use of the promotional techniques and those promotional techniques are highly expensive for you, so in that case you have to see this thing that the price of the product should also include the expenses which are being made by you for using those promotion techniques. So in that case the prices of the product may go at the higher end. So when this thing will take place, so you will be charging the prices at the higher end because there are number of promotion techniques like advertisement. Okay, then we can see the type of packaging, labeling, keeping the brand name of the product. All this involves the money, and this ultimately will increase the cost of a particular product. So at that point of time your product will be sold at a higher price. So you have to keep all these things in mind before fixing a price of any product, because the correct fixation of the selling price of the product will ultimately help the producer in increasing the sale of the product. Thank you.